Hello everybody, it's Professor Dahlberg and I'm coming to you from my dining room table at home on my laptop. And there's a couple questions of how to add audio to a PowerPoint. So there's enough questions that I thought I'd do a little tutorial on how to do that. So I'll do this in two parts. The first part will be one option right within PowerPoint itself. So as you can see here, I've utilized a PowerPoint created by Andrea, and her topic was racing. She raced. That's a picture of her racing four-wheelers, and she explains development through sport, family in sport. Her coach was her dad, the impact that he had, women in racing, and religion in racing, and then just a little closing slide with some closing remarks. So she did this in class, face-to-face, so she just had provided some talking points. So this is what I'd like you to do if you choose to do a PowerPoint, is just have some talking points with maybe some appropriate pictures as they apply. So once you do that, the question is, how do you add audio to your presentation? So what I'll do is, actually I'll start with this slide because we'll add some audio to this slide. So if you go up to your toolbar, I'm at the home screen, and let's click on Insert. And you might be familiar with adding pictures here, but what I'm going to do is go all the way over to the right, and you'll see Insert Audio. So click on that, and you'll have a couple options, and I'm going to go Record Audio. This window will pop up where I can start recording. Now I'm just using the microphone on my laptop, and it's picking up my voice pretty good. You may choose to use like a headset with the little microphone that comes right by your mouth. That's what I've recorded most of my recordings with. But let's say, let's start with this slide. So I'm going to do some talking points, maybe four-wheel racing and the development of some characteristics within my life while I raced four-wheelers. So I might talk about how four-wheel racing is kind of a non-traditional, maybe extreme sport. There's risk of injury. But I learned, different life skills like setting goals, working hard. Again, you're going to elaborate your personal experience here. Once I'm done recording, I just hit the stop button. And if I made some errors, I'm not happy with that, I go ahead and click cancel, and I can start over. Let's say I'm happy with that take. I'll just go ahead and hit OK, and a little speaker shows up. Now I might not really like it in the middle because that might overlap a picture or some words, so I'm just going to go ahead and put it in a consistent spot up here in the right. Okay, so this little, I can listen to how the take was. Okay, so if I like that, I keep it. I can also hit delete here. So what I can do then is, of course, save. And once I'm ready to go, let's just go ahead and put this in the full play mode. And you can see I recorded something here. Okay, and then I'll just hit the next slide like I would, like I'm presenting. Okay, so then I can go ahead and do that with all of them. I'm going to escape here. So I go back to the edit mode. So you can simply just add audio just like you would maybe like a picture or a web link. So give that a try. Of course, you won't see an image here. I'll show you how to do that on the next slide. So give that a try and see how that works for you.